Find the area and perimeter of the following rectangle. Given rectangle, length is 8 cm, breadth 4 cm. Solution. Area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Length is 8 cm, breadth is given 4 cm. 8 for the 32 centimeter square is area of rectangle. And perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into bracket length plus breadth. 2 length is 8 cm plus breadth is 4 cm. 2 into 8 plus 4 is 12 cm. 12 into 2, 12 to the 24 cm is perimeter of the rectangle.